In this video, you'll learn how to use the Remux feature in OBS to convert your recordings. The converted video can then be used in your preferred video editing software. Add a non-supported video format. Notice the warning message that the file is not supported by Adobe Premiere.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong.
Click OK. Next, let's open up OBS. Go to Remix Recordings. Let's drag that same MKV file onto the interface. And we're going to click Remux. Now, what it's going to do is try to make the video appear to be an MP4 file by changing the container of the video. Okay, the video is now finished repackaging. Let's go back to Adobe Premiere. Let's drag the MP4 video onto the project area. Now we can double click the video to have it automatically play in the preview area. And we should have the video playing, and we can begin scrubbing across the timeline to ensure that we actually have the video content that we expect. And now you know how to easily convert videos in OBS using the Remux feature. Thanks, and take care.